a property tour. This is our newest rental property at 2037 North, 2165 West in Clinton. This is a cute single family home. We've got a 1-car garage here. This has a fully fenced backyard. We will take a look at that here in just a minute. So we're just gonna go through the front door here. Just want to get a quick peek around the corner here. We've got a gate here on this side. So here is the front family room area. This property has just been newly remodeled, so everything here is brand new. The floors are new, new blinds. Front family area. And this goes into the kitchen and dining area. We've got stairs that go upstairs. That's where all the bedrooms and baths are. So this level is the family room and the kitchen and dining. So we've got brand new stainless steel appliances, nice white clean cabinets, and a good sized pantry here. This goes all the way underneath the stairs. So we've got lots of storage here and all the way underneath the stairs. So lots of storage here in the kitchen area. And all of these cabinets are brand new in the kitchen with the countertops are nice solid surface countertops, nice big deep kitchen sink. Take a quick peek out the backyard while we're right here. This is our backyard. It is fully fenced. This is a pet-friendly home, so this would be a great property if you have pets. And then we've just got access to the garage right here. All right, let's go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms here. So we're all the way, brand new carpet. Smells like a new home in here. Top of the stairs, we're gonna go right first. This is bedroom number 1. Again, brand new carpet, paint, blinds. We've got a nice closet here, good sized closet. And then just right up here off the stairs is the laundry room. Get the light turned on here. So we've got a good sized laundry room here. Nice shelving over the washer and dryer. And that is the furnace. All right, so this is going to be bedroom. Let's go into here. This is bedroom number 2. Again, everything brand new, blinds, carpet, paint. And then we've got a good closet there too. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. This is gonna be the main bathroom. So we've got new countertops in here. These cabinets aren't new, but they're in really good shape. New toilet, new floors. Main bathroom. Okay, this is the master. This is a really nice size master bedroom. Really big. We got nice size windows, lots of natural light. We've got a little nook right here, just right behind the door. A nice his and hers closet. They do connect, but we've got 2 doors to access the closet. All right, let's check out the master bath. So here's our master bath. Again, these cabinets aren't brand new, but they are in pretty good shape. So we've got new plumbing, new light fixtures, and again, new floors, toilet. Everything is nice and new. All right, got a fan up here. So this is our Clinton property. It's located in the town center community in Clinton, so a nice convenient location. If you want to apply for this property, visit our website at envypm.com. It's nvpm.com and click on rental search. We will have that posted there. And you can also schedule a showing from our website as well. If you have any questions, give our office a call, 801-337-4337.